Hi. So one other tips I forgot to mention was the regulations. Before you fly a drone, just make sure you have your either your pilot license or your recreations license. Uh, Different countries have different regulations. If you live in the US, you need to have your license in order to fly your drone because there are lots of safety issues involved with it. The drone could cause a lot of damage to the body, so it's something that is worth looking into before you fly your get a drone or even fly your drone. You have to register on the FAA website, and then they're going to give you your license. And also, one other thing, you have to look at the reviews. Reviews are very important. Some reviews are cooked up, but make sure you reading the original reviews of different drones, because the review will enable you to make a good decision. It will give you the feedback from different drones that we have sold over the years. And also the after sales support is also important too. If you have if you can call customer service if you have a problem, that's perfect. But if you don't, if you can't, it's a lot of problems. You have to deal with issues yourself. It's important. That's basically one of the other tips I wanted to share with you guys. I've talked about other things, the camera level. I've talked about the range of transmission and the flight time. It's good to get like 30 minutes. Most of the batteries last 30 minutes. So you have two batteries, so that's 60 minutes flight time. So there are different times for each of those drones that you can get. That's basically it for now. My drone could not fly. Again, my drone could not fly because I had a problem with the GPS connecting with the controller. So the manufacturer probably sent me one. I'm still waiting for it. See, my blades are rotating, but it cannot take off. So I tried a couple of times, and it's just not working. So I'm waiting for the new one so I can take more flight. Although I was supposed to fly it, I think 3 times after about 110.
So
It's no good.
it cannot take
And
off
when I get my new drone, so I'm going
because
to
of
add
the
some more
risk
flight
of the week.
my page. It's interesting, it's exciting, it's something you definitely like to get or like to have. It's fun. Thank you very